The Meghalaya government is gearing up to give a high-tech facelift to one of Shillong's most cherished landmarks, Wards Lake, amid a steady surge in tourist arrivals. Tourism Minister Paul Lingdor, while addressing the press on Monday, announced that the state will initiate a comprehensive beautification project of the iconic lake through the Urban Affairs Department. The initiative begins with the desiltation and oxygenation of the lake using cutting-edge nano bubble technology, an advanced method aimed at boosting dissolved oxygen levels, improving water quality and restoring the lake's ecological balance. The project, which comes with a sanctioned budget of Rs 7 crore 3,67,071, has been awarded to TJ Enterprise, a local firm based in Jail Road, Shillong. The formal letter of acceptance had earlier been issued by former Urban Affairs Director E. Karmalki.
Enhancing the potential of Wards Lake as a tourist destination, we are going ahead with the desiltation of the lake. And through the Department of Urban Affairs, I am glad to share with you that an amount of Rs 7 crore 3 lakhs 67,071 rupees has already been earmarked for the work of beautification of the lake. This beautification would involve treatment of the water, what is known as oxygenation, and this work has already been allotted, and meaning tenders have been called, NIT has been issued, and within the next 2 weeks or so, work on the ground will start. This work, once taken up, the cleaning and beautification of Wards Lake, you will see that once completed, the water will be sparkling clean, and also with this use of the technology that is known as Nano bubbler, it will help to oxygenate the lake. The tender was called by the Department of Urban Affairs through the Directorate, and the then Director, Urban Affairs, Mr. E. Karmalki, had issued this letter of acceptance to TJ Enterprise, Jail Road, Shillong. Hopefully, this will not lead to any closure because it only involves cleaning up the lake. 2 is we are also going ahead with the construction of toilets for use of the general public at various tourist destinations. Roughly 10 to 12 such locations have been identified, and these toilets will have a sanction of about 25 lakhs per toilet. By the end of the monsoon season, we should also be able to begin work for the light and sound show at Wards Lake. An amount of roughly 4 crore rupees has been earmarked, and the process of tendering this particular project will start soon. And as I mentioned, work on the ground will begin by end of August or September. The project will take roughly 6 to 8 months until completion. Yeah.
In a parallel move aimed at enhancing tourist safety, especially in the wake of the recent murder case of Raja Raghuvanshi in Sora, Paul Lyngdoh further informed that the state will soon begin installing CCTV cameras at key tourist spots across Meghalaya. The surveillance initiative is part of the government's broader strategy to assure visitor security and reinforce Meghalaya's image as a safe travel destination.
Yes, we have already asked the Sora Tourism Association to submit a list of areas which they consider most vulnerable. Once that list is finished to us, we will immediately start acting. No, we'll go phase wise. Phase wise, wherever, but everything will be demand driven. Meaning, wherever you have maximum footfalls, they will get, the first chance to have the security cameras in place.